I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Alright, today we're going to be continuing our R2 build. We've got issue 12 right here, and we've got some parts. This looks like a lot more parts than the previous issues, so hopefully this will be a little more content. But let's open this up and see what we got. Alright, here are the parts we got in this issue. We got two more dome frame pieces, some more of the leg frames, and this dome support base center. Okay, for the first part of this assembly, we're going to be extending the dome frame here. You'll notice we've got two of these frame assemblies here. One that's got a smaller port and two little holes beneath it. Okay, that is not the one we want to start with. We want to start with the one that's got the two large holes, and we're just going to continue the assembly towards the right. It'll come in just like this, and we'll attach it the same way we did with the previous ones. So to attach both frames, you will need 4 nuts and 4 long silver screws. All right, and there we go. This dome is really starting to come along, isn't it? Man, this is looking nice. A few more missing pieces, and this thing is going to be exceptional. And moving on, we're going to be doing the frame for the right leg. In the previous issue, we got these larger nuts and silver screws, just 5 of each. And while it doesn't specify, it does appear as though we want to use these larger ones for this leg frame. And it does make sense, considering the leg frame is metal and it's going to support the weight of the body. So we're going to start by taking these 2 frame pieces. We're going to slide them together just like a puzzle. Make sure that this fits inside there. We'll flip it over, and that's where one of those nuts is going to go. Just like that. And we will use 1 screw to hold these together. All right. Now, what we're going to do is, if you take a look on this end, you can see this indentation, and you've got this little attachment. Notice it's got these posts here. Those are going to go into those tiny little holes, just like that. We've got 2 spots for the nuts, so we're going to attach this the same way. Nut in, screw in. All right. And moving on, we're going to take the 2 leg frame pieces from a couple of issues ago, and we're going to fit those together exactly the same way, like a puzzle. And if you'll notice, it's got the same indentation with the same little holes for the posts. So we're going to slide those together just like that. I've got a couple of nuts and screws into here to hold it in place. Alright, and there we have the right leg frame completed. Alright, well that was issue 12 complete. We've got some more of the dome assembly here, definitely looking good. And this leg frame, very sturdy, very sturdy. We're just flying through these issues. I am excited. So if you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Have a great day.